how to remove the malicious or virus from your computer without any scanner, because Windows itself have the a scanner. There we can remove the any type of the virus in the free. So let's go. Just you push Window plus R from the keyboard, then you write here MRT and hit the enters. Wait, yes. Now we have to give to permission. You can see Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tools. Just you click here once, then wait some time. Yes. Then here you see the next. Okay. Then here you see the quick scan. Scans are of the system most likely to control malicious software, and this one, and full scan here and customize scan. You select your full scan here, and once hit the next, it will be complete. Take some time. You can do your work continue at your computer, no problem. It will take some times. It will be completely finish. Then it will be give you a report, and you can remove your all the virus from the computer, and then restart your computer. You will feel that your computer will be work very smooth. So this is what it will take the time, so you have to do like that. Thanks for watching.